just had a small little fender bender. I mean, this is really pretty minor stuff. Nobody was hurt, the police weren't called, the other driver obviously was fine. I'm not going to make a claim to my auto insurance company. But what if this was worse? What if there was injuries? What if the police were called? What if I went away in an ambulance and went to a hospital? What happens to the car? I've been in the auto repair business all my life, and I've seen tons and tons of people in my body shops later. The car comes on a Monday. We don't see the owner until Thursday once they get out of the hospital, or once they come back from little recovery time at home or whatever. The vehicle's been sitting around in my storage lots. If I was involved in an accident, where does my vehicle go? Do you already have a body shop picked out? You should. I live in Houston. Let's say I'm involved in an accident here in Houston, and it's 10 o'clock at night, and it's raining. I got my kids in the car and my wife in the car. I'm dressed up. We just came back from a movie or something. I don't know. We're involved in an accident. Somebody runs into me. The car is disabled. I can't drive it home. I'm minor hurt. I need to go home. Where does the car go? If I can't come up with a wrecker driver within the first 30 minutes or so of the police being at the scene, you know what happens? This car just goes wherever the wrecker drivers want to take it. The police come out and basically flip a coin and kind of say, you, pick up this car and get it out of the road. Take it wherever you're going to take it. And now my vehicle with all my stuff in it goes somewhere. I might get a business card, or I might have to call the police the next day and say, where'd my car go? I want to make sure that if I'm involved in an accident, my family's protected and I'm okay. But the second thing I want to be able to pull out of my pocket is Jim's Body Shop. Take it here. I can call the body shop number at 2 in the morning or Sunday at 3 a.m. There's a 24-hour emergency wrecker hotline and say, Austin, I was involved in an accident. Come and pick me up. Here's where my truck is. The police are at the scene. Help, help, help. They'll be able to take my car. They'll be able to put it in some kind of storage lot which protects the vehicle. And I know where the car is. And if I've already built up a relationship with that body shop, hopefully I don't have to pay them on the scene, because most of those guys want cash right there. Where am I going to get $200 in cash on a Wednesday in the rain? I want to be able to already have a relationship with a body shop. I want to go down and inspect that body shop before I get in an accident. I want to talk to the owner. I want to talk to the manager. I want to look at the record drivers. I want to look at the shop. I want to ask my insurance company what kind of relationship they have with this shop. If I take my car in and my insurance company says, oh, we don't like the quality of the work that those guys do, or we don't like dealing with those guys, I don't want my car going there. So talk to your insurance company first. I'm thinking about taking my vehicle to XYZ body shop in the event of an accident. I'm going to go down and build up a relationship with these guys now before the accident happens. How do you guys like them? And hopefully my insurance company says, we don't have any problems. We love those guys. We deal direct with them. You don't need to pay us anything. We'll handle your rent car. We'll do everything for you if you'll go to that body shop. That's what you need. If you've been involved in an accident and you come into the body shop, the last thing you want to worry about is, how am I going to get to work? How am I going to pay for the rental car fees? How am I going to pay the storage lot? How am I going to pay for the wrecker? How am I going to do, how am I going to? You want all that stuff prepped now. Now obviously I'm not going to go to the body shop for this minor little accident, but if the event I do need to do it, I'm going to know ahead of time all the details that we just described. Thanks for visiting the site. Get a quote. The auto insurance on this site will compare multiple agents in your zip code area. We do life insurance, health insurance, everything else too, but the quotes are free. You know, I hope this video helped you a little bit. See if we can save some money. Thanks a lot.